guys, this is going to be the end of the Rudy saga. What do you think about that, Rhonda? It's over. This is how we're going to wrap it up, getting them clean for the last time for you. Now I'm going to let you guys see if I have to fix anything. Look how enthusiastic she is. But anyway, thanks for watching. You know what I'm going to miss most? But here we go. It's the end. You guys made it. I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. Back home. Bid $1,800 on that job. I don't know if we'll get it, but for more than $1,800, I don't, or less, I don't even want it. So I'm glad he went to the house thinking $2,000. I'm gonna order a pizza, go pick it up, get in the shower, and then that's it. Done today. Turtle wax be next. Because you can't even like do this right now, like that, and then you pick your arm up and there's a mark. Like there's no protection on this at all. It's just stripped. Ran good though. Wait a minute, I tried to roll this up. Better not be broke again. I replaced that whole entire motor. Okay. Still got the transmission to do. Too hot. And I figured this out. Started about 6 in the morning and then stopped work at 12. That's how it works. On the way home yesterday, this wheel, I think the caliper was grabbing extra hard and releasing. But every time I'd hit the brakes, the whole front end would start bouncing on the front right, like it was slamming down to the ground. And then when I pulled in, I come over here and I could smell the heat and see the heat off that rim. Tried to touch it, couldn't even touch it. Splattered water on it from a wet rag and it went and instantly turned to steam. So I think I heard boiling too, like internal, like what a radiator sounds like when it's hot, but in like the brakes. So I think I got a caliper. That means 2 calipers. Anyway, I'm gonna take care of this because I do not feel like fooling with that again today. I got a headache just thinking about it. It's all polished up. At least it looks good sitting there. Every time I drive it, I have an issue. It's always something else. It's gonna run out of issues. It's gonna have to. Right? Yeah. Yeah, it will. Sorry, just the 3 videos. Look at this. Ow. Ow. At least it's only these 2. This one's not popping. These 3 also. Can I get disability for that? So this thing has a bushing goes in it, looks like. Don't want to change that. Just the seal's all I'm after. This better not be a mistake. Because I don't want to take the end of the transmission off, bang this out. And the starter's laboring. I did really use it a ton getting it started initially. But what happens is it starts real fast. Like right now it would start fast. And then if I go to AutoZone and get in there, it starts halfway slower. And then when I get home, it's even half that. Every time I try to crank it as I drive around, it gets worse and worse, like the battery's dying. Or the starter's giving up. Like it gets tired throughout the day or something, I don't know. Or it's not charging, but the voltage on the dash says it is. When the air's on, it's at 13. When the air's off, it's at 14. Anyway, I'm gonna pull the drive shaft out, pick this thing out of here, see what we got. Go with the old in with the new. looks incredibly big. I swear that looks bigger. I don't think that's gonna go. That looks like from the rear main area. I don't see it. A drip though. This one. Doesn't even have a smell. It's gonna have to get worse for me to find it. I'm just gonna let it go. I think it might be an oil pan, but I don't even really care. I'm gonna let that go. Okay, that's it.
Anyway, let's go see what's in the trunk.
For me to get that off, I gotta open the door and let my cool air out. So I changed gears again, and I started waxing.
Same time.
This guy's crazy.
There, see? That's easy.
Anyway, I waxed from here up
Wow.
and over halfway.
Okay, so y'all have seen me foam some stuff before, but this is advanced
Let's do some climbing. I'll show you.
foaming. I'm not even mad. I'm impressed. I mean, this is. Let me get this seat out of here.
From there down.
Not this craftsmanship. I mean, well, they missed a little spot there, but I mean, it's small enough. They got it all the way down. Oh, man. I'm gonna leave it just like that.
And this was looking good the other day, remember?
I don't gotta do nothing.
Now it's gonna look like that.
Wait a second.
Don't tell me Billy's here.
Our steering pump's probably shot. Wrong license plate to the truck.
Dude. A quick little update. Before and after type thing, side by side. I've got this side waxed now, hazing over, and this side not. We'll compare. Cause this is so shiny, I don't see how this is doing anything, but it, wow, up there, let me tell you. Anyway, I'll show you when I'm done.
Actually in my spot. You know, so I don't get kicked out of here.
Waxed, not. I don't know if you can tell. I sure got some crazy shining going on in here though.
I got brakes like you wouldn't believe.
You know what I figure about this? This truck's been going so fast lately that just all the paint's blowing off the front of it at every crease. It's just getting wind whipped. How fast it's running. All waxed. Got a bad spot on that window I gotta get off. It's on the inside. I'm gonna have to call it quits today again, getting close to lunch. At least I was able to get this entire thing. I even waxed the top of this old chunky junk here. This brown is crazy. But it's all done. The air conditioner went up 2 degrees in here. The last probably 30 minutes. It's 74 now. Still okay, but I'm super wet. Got long sleeves and everything. Need my seal, so I put my drive shaft back in. And then I can drive it again. Of course, I got that wheel off the ground over there. But I didn't want to open the door to get my impact in here to get the wheel off because I didn't want to lose my air. But about 2 more degrees, it'll be too hot to work in here anyway. So I'll just go ahead and open it. Matter of fact, let's do it now and see what it looks like in the sun. Sort of. Just the back. So shiny. That's it.